Hello everybody, it is Sweet Crypto here, and today let's take a look at Splash Network. We're gonna take a look at Splash Network. This is my pretty much like my fourth video solely on Splash Network. Had a nice little voice crack there, but we're gonna take a look what's going on with Splash Network, guys. It's booming, baby. It is booming. $22.50. We're hitting $23 soon, guys. We're booming. We're making big bucks here. No little dollars, big bucks. Yeah, with that being said, let's get into the video. And yeah, all right. So I am doing an airdrop today. If you are watching this video, I always have an airdrop on Sunday. It's called Splash Sundays, and basically I'll be doing an airdrop of a good amount. So all you need to do is go into the link of this description. If you're already paired with the buddy, you could skip this part. But if you're not in my buddy system, you're not on my team, there'll basically be a description down in this video. They'll have a buddy address like this. Just say buddy address. You copy this. So what you're going to do is copy this, right? It'll be in the YouTube. And then you go over to Splash Network. You come down here in the tab, go to join wave, paste this and press update, and bada bang, bada boom, confirm, and you're on the team. Minimum amount, you got to put one splash in there. And then, yeah, we got 8 members on the team. 8 members will be getting these nice splash tokens. You can be part of the team too if you want. But yeah, Splash Sundays are going to be lit. I'm going to try to do 3 airdrops every week. At least 2, but I'm going to try to do 3. It's doing amazing, guys. Like, I put $900 in here, and it's almost worth $5,000. I'm getting 2% a day. I'm making just about $100 a day off this. And yes, I have not withdrawed anything. I have 2.3 splash in here, and I've claimed 2.9. That's because of the 10%. So I have this in my balance, which I'm holding to claim this today for the airdrop, and then I'll go down here, go team airdrop and airdrop everybody about a divided amount. So that's gonna be fun today. Give out some free money to all my subscribers, all my viewers, everybody on my team, basically. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be cool. It's just crazy. $22.50. I got in at $4. I was not on the pre-sale. The pre-sale, you would have gone in at 50 cents. Unfortunately, I was not there. If you were on the pre-sale, you're literally up. You're up, what? You're up 40x? Huh, 45x, something like that? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I got in at $4, so technically I'm up, what, like 5x or 6x or something like that. But yeah. So it's going amazing. This Splash is literally going to hit $50 by Tuesday. This is not financial advice. This is only for entertainment purposes. If you lose your money, don't blame it on me. So I think Splash will go to $50 by Tuesday. This is pumping. And we don't have an accurate chart here. But the reason I think it's pumping so much is because it has a low supply of 1 million. Only 1 million Splash. Only 1 million. So with a low supply coin, this is gonna pump. The price is gonna pump. It only has 1 million in supply. Yeah, that's basically success right there for a high price. Oh man, we could see $100 splash by literally the end of the month. By the end of the month, we could see $100 splash. So yeah, I'm doing airdrop today. As I said, like 20 million times, but I just want to tell everybody. So yeah, and yeah, but it's pretty simple. We're making 2% a day. This is crazy, guys. It's crazy, and just because the amount of money is being made right now is awesome. I'm all in for this. Again, I haven't withdrawn anything. I literally the $108 a here I made over a day. I haven't withdrawn that, or a day and a half or something like that. I haven't withdrawn that. The 2.3 splash. I'm not taking that out. I'm holding it. I'm gonna airdrop it to you guys. On Monday I'll probably hydrate. Tuesday I'll hydrate, and then Wednesday I'm gonna do another airdrop. So I might as well tell you the plan right now. Wednesday I'm gonna do another airdrop. But what I'm gonna do, so there's gonna be Splash Sundays. Everybody on my team will split the amount that I airdrop. Then there'll be like on Wednesday, I think I'll do like teams. So, example, if you have, if you're using my buddy address, if you're on the team and you have, say, 10 splash deposited, right? You have 10 splash. Then I'll do like a 10 splash and over team, right? And I'll airdrop, say, a day worth of rewards or 2 days worth of rewards or something like that. So I'll do an airdrop. Well, we'll see. And then maybe there's like a 50 splash or more airdrop, and I'll airdrop you, a whole day too. So maybe there's only one person. They get, free like $50, $60, whatever it is. So I'll figure it out. I want to at least do 3 a week or at least do 2 a week. And then there'll be an extra bonus of maybe 1. And a lot of people will say, well, why are you doing that? What's the point of, you're literally giving away your money away? 2% a day. I understand that. If I'm minimum going to do 2, so then I have 5 days to hydrate, or 4 days to hydrate, or 3 because I will save up as well for that airdrop. But the reason is because when you join my team, you get taxed. So you have to join a team to get in the splash, just like Drip. You get taxed, like when you put it in 10%, the 10% goes to me because I have the rewards and you're on my team. As you can see here, I've been rewarded about 15 splash or 14.9 splash, and that goes into here. The reason I'm giving it away is because you guys help me get rewarded this, which goes into here. This builds up, and it's only fair for me to give back to you guys who's using my buddy system and supporting me. So I feel it's only fair if I give back to you guys, if that makes sense. And a lot of YouTubers, they make tens and tens of thousands. We can even look at, I love Crypto Talk. I've been following Crypto Talk for 3 years now. 2.5 years. Since I was a youngin'. As you can tell, I'm a youngin' right now. But yeah, I followed him since the beginning of DeFi. And his referrals are just insane. Like, he's got rewarded on his last video 6,000 splash, or 5,800 splash. Dude, that's like 65, or now with the price, that's like 100 grand. So it's just crazy, and I feel that the minimum I could do with you guys supporting is to give back to my community, to help you guys grow your bag. So we're basically helping each other grow our bag. It's that kind of system. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll make another video tonight about probably just about like Drip Garden and Titano and whatnot, on how those are playing out for me. And yeah. So yeah. Oh, the airdrop, by the way, if you're interested what time the airdrop is, join my Telegram. Link will be down in the description. I basically post notifications there. And the airdrop, I'm going to try to do it between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Pacific time tonight. And if you miss this airdrop, don't worry, there'll be another airdrop Wednesday, and then at least another airdrop Sunday, Splash Sundays. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go Splash.